Oh my god, guys. I know y'all weren't even, oh my god, damn. Dude, we were attacked by zombies. And this motherfucker, oh my god. Oh my god, zombies. There's a zombie right there. Shit. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, zombie! Zombie is supposed to be acting like a fucking zombie! Fuck! Alright, it's fucking loud. And they're not racing right now, they're just acting like assholes. So that the lawnmower race is still. And we finally won the race to the porta potty. And you can see that more rednecks decided to come up here. And let's see if I can't get a closer view of these rednecks up here fucking racing. Or not racing, practice lapping, or whatever. There's one of them assholes. Woo! Fun! Woo! 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 Shit! Woo! They're going so fast! Oh, I'm so excited! Alright, I'll be back when the race starts.